This is this man's health. He is seriously up right now, and we need to help him. For a half a mile. His eyes are rolling back in his head and he's doing like this, bro. What are we supposed to do? Stay there and cut over him? No, we do. Can we unhook them? I mean, what's up? It's over now? Game's over.
You're not quitting. I don't care. I'm not quitting. They quit last year as Vector. Just to do it.
Okay, I'm not talking. She's a girl. She's a he's dying. She's crying. What the
He deceived us into keeping him here, and he goes to all $300,000. The man overboard checkpoint is basically 3 team members at a time sit on a platform and pull each other across, and on the other side your team members get off.
There we have it. That's the Lockwood 234 C45 Bogata raked with the double right before your very eyes. There we have it, folks. Done deal. Thank you, Dower, for the lock. It's absolutely fantastic. I couldn't have asked for a better lock. It kept me occupied for 2 days. I can't say enough about this lock. Really got to give you Aussies the props on that. ASSA ABLOY also got to give a shout out to them. Very, very good job on this lock. Yeah, so thanks very much, Dower. Keys is on his way, as you know, and peace. Don't break the law.